There are two sound indicator settings on all CoBatCo SSE models. The first setting is one single short beep that will sound and then stop. The second setting is a constant beep that will stop by pressing the start-stop button. To change the setting on your baker from one setting to the other, follow these steps. Plug in and turn on the baking unit. The LED readout will begin to flash. Allow the unit to reach its preset baseline temperature. This takes approximately 18 minutes. 3 short beeps will sound and the LED readout will stop flashing. Turn the baking unit off. Locate the concealed program button, which is located 1/2 inch directly to the left of the LED readout. Press and hold the program button. With the program button pressed, turn the baker on. Release the program button.